The Learning Hub is divided into 4 main areas: learning modules, teaching resources, research case studies, and an Explore by Topic section. There is also an extensive glossary available in the top right-hand corner to provide a more detailed explanation of some of the more complex terms. The learning modules contain information, videos, and interactive quizzes in 6 thematic subsections. The first 2 of these are useful in providing an overview of what longitudinal research is, how longitudinal data are collected, and why longitudinal data are particularly valuable for answering important research questions. Longitudinal studies share a common aim: to examine change over time and to capture events in people's lives as they age. To this end, a longitudinal study is a prospective observational study that follows the same people over a period of time, repeatedly collecting information from them. They differ from cross-sectional studies, which interview a fresh sample of people each time they are carried out. Many longitudinal studies collect a broad range of information about different areas of their participants' lives. This makes them incredibly valuable when looking at the way different aspects of our lives interact and how early life circumstances or characteristics relate to outcomes in adulthood, middle age, or later life. To learn more about using data from longitudinal studies in your research, visit the Closer Learning Hub.